Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. I wavuka uChawekazi early in the morning saying, you know what, I got myself on a Cape Town Tech program. So ngomso I'm leaving, and I was surprised to say, how why did we have to do? And she was like, no, I didn't want people to say that I got my parents involved to go young into the situation, so I had to do it myself. And the parents, tried to call us Bhikija to hear if they're willing to have a sit down with them. Kodwa Ulukanya was like, no one, we're coming to Gauteng. I'll see if Ngaza no to make a no majola. Yes, so that we can have a sit down and talk about the whole thing. Utumeka got dinner and she was like, you guys, yazin, it's too much. At the end of the day, umntanami ngaphuqwa kuye wakhishwa inhliziyo ngathi imoto escribeyard wanikezelwa inhliziyo yakhe. Uhlathi uthi yena, why does Uthumeka have to be reminded that uChawekazi isihlobo sakhe and uChawekazi is his daughter, and yena she's the one who raised uChawekazi for 20 years and all that. Uthi Uthumeka yena kodwa njena kuba ngaba the world's turned, if it was uChawekazi who was supposed to die and give ulikamva leya nhliziyo, kuba ngaba kwenzekile na. Hey, uhlathi was like, whip, hey, imimoya yaphakama we guys, imimoya yaphakama. The fight was very, very intense. Waze wangena no-Antwana Mbovu. I don't know why she calls uyanga nombovu kuba nje, hey, andazi. She felt like Uthumeka was disrespecting uhlathi. Kodwa uMajola was, you know what, because manje everyone is hot, let's just go sizobuya ngomso and continue these conversations. So Wazande said that he was going to be going to the office for the whole week just to shadow Uzoleka and Lazarus. Somehow he got himself talking to Ukawa, saying that because Ukawa is going to Cape Town now, he can just like go in and they can spend the time together and without the family and all that, without the eyes and all that. Zoleka, on the other hand, is asking Lazarus Gutsi as Azande ready to have to rule over a company Ngane Industries. And why does yena he doesn't consider himself someone who can do it? Because Ngukane and Ikusela Tech could be one thing. He can do it. Lo Lazarus wathuka. Lazarus wethuka serious fast quick in the hair. Sanbonani. Sanbona. So I feel like Uthumeka is very, very hurt. I think Uthumeka is very, very hurt. Uhlathi is hurt. The whole family is hurt. But looking at the situation that they're all going through, I feel like because thina abantu abamnyama we are not used to the whole process that happened between like the family, inside that family, when inhliziyo kaLikamva had to be taken to Chawekazi, the processes and the procedures and the healing process of something like that. It's not something unique. It's not something that we experience each and every day. So grief is a different thing and difficult thing. But manje seyibuka ngazusimane someone bekakhethiwe and I'm hurting, you're hurting. Mhlambe even when they're having a conversation about visisana, batholana, nalona ifila ngani nalona ungihete kakhulu, nalo ungihete kakhulu. I don't know ukuthi I think they need the therapy, honestly speaking, because bona bodwana nje. So I don't think they can fix it, Shem. I don't think they can fix it. I think they need they need professional help from someone who knows what they're doing so that they can lay the ground, the foundation of how the conversation can go, and the experiences and the situations of people, like families coming out of a situation like that, and how they helped each other to heal. Because now Uthumeka is still blaming Uhlathi for inhliziyo kaLikamva, but uLikamva was brain dead. I don't know if anyone has ever woken up from brain dead. You understand? So from the doctors, once waba brain dead, you are no longer there. So Uthumeka feels like they should have just let uLikamva for mhlambe for days or for years, for months, until mhlambe inhliziyo yakhe accepted it, but she feels like basheshe bamphuqa yena. And uHlathi yena on the other hand is like, I had to choose one of my kids. But Utumeke doesn't seem like that. It seems like someone else is more important than someone else. Because now she's raising the fact that when Uzoleka came back, you went after her and you left me. You didn't just leave me, you left me and my kids. And you didn't just like lose interest. You lost all the love that you had for me for 20 years when Uzoleka came back. And when it was time for you to choose Waketu Kawekazi, what kind of a woman, what kind of a wife, a mother? He's Leon. What kind of a wife and a mother? I feel like they need professional help so that they can find a way out of this if they're gonna come back as like a female. Yeah, but if they wanna come out as still a female, they need professional help. Because uMagaba naye kayazi lento. Umuntu omdala, yes, but akayazi le nto. She has never experienced that before. Because Utumeka ends up saying that, don't tell me that because you've never experienced what I've experienced. And that goes for someone who lost their child, but their child washona azange akhiphe inhlitiyo. Uyabona ukuthi it's like this comparison. So I feel like someone who knows exactly what they're doing would be great for this situation. Is it me alone that feels like Uchawekazi came back with like smallanyana weight loss lapha? She looks like she looks very, very petite, beautiful. I'm not complaining, beautiful. Kodwa nayo i-coach madoda. Kodwa nayo i-coach. I-coach ngathi njena. Like every time when he listens to, he has a way of showing up whenever Uqhawe is saying something. I don't know why. Kodwa nje he shows up. And I feel like Uqhawe is giving in. That smile that I saw Uqhawe giving him when he said that I can fly in and what. I was like, Qhawekazi, you're betraying me. Uthembe kangaka. I know it's this thing. Let's not. You're very good. Don't disappoint me, Wiggle. Do not disappoint me. When men say that they need a woman who will motivate me, a woman who will push me, an ambitious woman, a woman who will make sure that when I feel down, she's like, I basho Zoleka. Give every man Uzoleka. Uzoleka is now here pushing the ambition to say to umyeni wakhe, why are you guys saying that Ngqukana Industries izophatha u-Azande keba wena khona uLazarus Ngqukana? Just like give me a reason. Lazarus is relaxed. It's like it has always been like that. Valentin. That was the plan. So yeah. Also why though? Why can't you just take it winner? I mean, Lazarus was shocked to the hell. And I feel like Azande feels good to high man. Something la ngalomfazi lo. There's something. I don't know if Uzoleka really doesn't like Azande, but it feels like it from Azande's perspective, because now he even said it good time and I always felt good there's something. But what if Lazarus listen to Uzoleka and says that Name, I want to take Ngqukana Industries and see if I can? You understand? This one will change everything that bakhule bathi yona. Azande went to America to learn the ropes and all that. He spent his whole life trying to be the big boss and all that, and also find that Lazarus is now interested in being the CEO of Ngqukana Industries. Azande uzoshona ma-aunties angisasho.